Welcome to BaronSays. Today it's time to thread up. Okay, this box was 90 bucks. Not gonna measure it. I'll tell you what it measures at. This is 20 inches by 13 inches by 8 inches. Guesstimate, but I think it's right. So let's go ahead and open this. Like I always say, cut away. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hello, we're here. We're loving helping. Send a quick note. Support. Thredup. Alright, so letting you know that they're here for you. That's great. 10,000 new items every single day. Green polka dots. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Now you know I can't read, so don't make fun of me. What we got here? Kate Spade. New York. Pretty nice. Nice initial presentation. Good size. Give you a look at the inside there. Has a longer strap in there. Has a zipper wallet or a zipper pouch. Has a phone pockets, I'm assuming. And just one big opening in the middle. And then here's your extra strap. The handle seems like it's in great shape. So this wasn't held very much like this. Strap, let's look at the strap. Strap. There's a little white thing on there. Look at that. But you know what? It's like lotion or something. It's scratching, it's scraping off. So that's good. Other than that, the strap looks like it's in great shape. Let's try it out. Hangs down pretty low. Not bad. The only complaint I have with this purse is the Kate Spade logo, New York, is scratched. I think you could see that. You know, it's a nice purse otherwise. This is like all perforated. Feels all spongy and cool. It's pretty nice. Not bad. Alright, let's see what else we got here. We got a DF case. I don't know if this is a bonus or what is this? Is it just glasses or what? Yeah, bonus. Diane von Furzberg, Furzberg, or whatever. Burger. Fursteinberger. Fursteinberger. Hey, these look pretty nice. It sounds fancy. Check those out. Try them on. Hey, they actually look great on me, don't they? Hey, gotta admit it. They look great. I'd sport them. Nobody would know. Nice case, too. Snappy. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. Hey, I like the color of that. Look at this. Wow. Alright, let's find out what this is. Wow, this is heavy, too. This is like, you could knock somebody out with this empty. Dang. This is cool, though, right? Okay, let's see. This is a Jacob's Mars. Jacob's Mark. Okay, that's what it is. I guess, right? It says And then there's lettering in here too. A bunch of random lettering. Oh, here we go. This is where you find it, rookie. Yeah, marked by Marc Jacobs. Okay, so it's a Marc Jacobs. All right. Wow, this is crazy. There's a lot to say about this. Give you a look at the inside. There's 3 separate compartments here. Look at that. Then right here in the middle, you got the 2 little like phone pockets right there. And then on the other side of it, the zipper pouch, right? Pretty good depth too. That's the middle pocket. And then we got the side one. Lots of depth in there too. Look at that. Same with this other side. Good depth. Like I said, these straps are killer, and they're actually in great shape. They're not worn out very badly, just a little bit, but not greatly. Somebody with the light little shoulder was wearing this one because it's not used that much. And then you got these pockets in the front, and then you twist them to open them. Metal, nice and big. Look at that. You could almost fit a tablet in there. Jeez, it doesn't look like it, but it does. You could. Oh man, look at this. I see a defect here, and oh man, I hope this can like be fixed or something. You got to look at the little. See that? I don't know. But this is a cool purse. Let's see if everything zips up. Yep. Look at that zipper, man. Jeez. Knock somebody out with this purse. Holy fun. This is funny. This is really funny. Alright. Yeah, so everything zips up nice. Let's try it on. Alright, look, it fits over my shoulder, but you know what? I got a smaller shoulder than the last time I did a purse video, so not bad though. I mean, it seems smaller than it actually is because it's just massive. Let's see. Look at that. You can feel that in there, man. Look at it. Full bottles of hairspray. That's a cool one. I like that one. Oh, look at this one. This is a cool one. This is really cool. Check this out. Okay, I know what this is. This is a Michael Kors. And look at this. This is like a purple snakeskin. Oh, dang. This is dangerous. Yeah, you can mess somebody up with the symbol. But yeah, look at this. Look at that. Look at that shimmer and that purple snakeskin like material. I think it looks cool. It may be tacky to some of you ladies or something, or some of you guys, but not to me. I think it's cool. Hey, look at this. Look, bonus. Advanced therapy. Dry, cracked, irritated skin. Want some of this? How funny. Little bonus there. Little bonus lotion. Let me just check this pocket out. They weren't even checking this thing out all the way, were they? Yeah, nothing there. These pockets are pretty good sizes. Okay, so the straps, not the greatest, but it looks like to me, if you're resourceful, you could change the straps. Let's see. Let's look on the inside. There we go. Alright, so you got a pocket right here, or 2 pockets right here. Little phone pockets. I do see a stain right here though. Look at that. Ooh, stainy. Like a makeup stain or something. I don't know. Not great. Not a deal breaker. Got another zipper on this side. Good size. Got like a little makeup pouch right here. Got your chain wallet hookup thing. Says MK in the fabric inside. It's a little stained up in there and dirty though. I mean, I don't like that. Looks like somebody dropped their makeup in there or something. You just have to clean it or something. That sucks. Other than that, it looks cool. And then maybe change the straps. I don't think these straps match this purse at all, in my opinion. Try them down. Alright, so, yep, just enough. Just enough to have a stroll. Have a good day. So weird. I'm such a dork already. Oh well, I love it. So yeah, it's nice, but it's too bad it needs to be cleaned up. Maybe a steamer. Didn't get a bonus lotion though. Alright, let's check out another one here. Let's check this out. This is like English teacher bag. Let's see, what is this? This is the Fry Company. So this is some nice leather. Oh man. So it's only one big pocket in here, well, and there's one in the front too. And then there's this big strap, right? This is in good shape. Fry or tuck. Just remind me of fry or tuck. It's kind of a big nasty bag. I guess you could put like a laptop in here or something. One thing I noticed in here that kind of bummed me out is there's like some white stuff in here. It's all white. Some white stuff. See that white stuff? What is that? Lotion? I don't know. But look, it's in the... Oh, look at that. And there's like a gun wrapper in there too. Sick. And the zipper. I'm not going to stick my hand in there. And then there's two like foam pockets. Pretty big size. I'm not trusting this bag though. It's kind of like dusting up a little bit too. Okay, it's got a zipper in the front here. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. And then there's a wallet space and two other little pockets here. But then there's like a food napkin in here or something. And another wallet strap. And look. Look, there's a napkin. Let's see if we can drop the napkin out. Come on out. But yeah, look. So look, there's a like a wallet with card spots right here. That's kind of cool. So it seemed like a really good brand and nice leather and everything, but there's like trash in it and stuff, man. Gross. I like that. I mean, that's something to knock somebody out with the symbol, right? Look at that. Right, let's try it on. This is something I would roll with if I had to do a purse, right? You're like, yeah, I got it. It's right there. All right here. Everything. Switch, tablet, laptop, whatever else you want to put in there. You could probably fit an Xbox in here. Hey, let's see if we can. Okay, I found an Xbox here. Just an old Xbox I had here in the S. Not a X. S. S box. Xbox. Put it in here while I have it on even. Because it's going to happen. I think. Maybe not. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it can't fit the Xbox. Let's see though. Oh, we're just having fun with this, aren't we? Yeah, we can. We can do that. Ugh. Almost. It's like just too small. Oh, jeez. Come on, Xbox. Okay, look. We put it in this way. Fit Xbox S in sideways. It still looks it. Yeah, so look, I wasn't lying. You can carry your Xbox with you. It'd be cool as heck with your Xbox and your purse. Your X purse. Awesome. That's cool. Too bad it's all dirty, right? So I got this one. Got the Michael Coors. Ooh, get that napkin out. And got the Marc Jacobs. My favorite is the Marc Jacobs. You know, this color is like a goldish kind of shimmery thing. You know, it kind of reminds me of those aliens on The Fifth Element. You ever seen that movie? Where they're like shape-shifting people. Give me the stones. I like this one the most. This is probably the coolest one though, right? The Kate Spade. This is what you guys like. This is what the ladies. Hey ladies. This one's the cleanest too. So yeah. Awesome. Oh yeah, my sunglasses too, huh? My DF. My DFs. Gotta DF it. Alright. Cool. Alright, yeah, I'm pretty happy with this haul here. $90. I think she used the coupon. Probably. Because she's like that. If she did, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up. Subscribe. Have a good one.